Hey, John here, doing a little yearly cleanup on my indicators, and I might as well do a show and tell at the same time. So what do I have on hand here? Here we have this nice digital. Of course, it's a import, but if we get it here, we can see it in the screen there. But I mean, it really works nice. And we have a nice back plunge indicator. Again, import, but nice. Works great. Test indicator, again, import. And again, does everything I want it to do. And it's the one that the magnet one I use on the lathe for, indicating whatever, movement on the lathe. And I've got an extension rod on there because that's what I have to make it work on my lathe. Now this guy is a little beauty of an indicator that belonged to my grandfather. And it's a I believe it's a Starrett. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Starrett. Oops. It's a Starrett, belonged to my grandfather. And it didn't have a dial on it or any. I mean, a glass on it. So I sent it to MR Tool Repair, and as usual, fixed up perfectly. And there's another Anytime tool import, and this one just has a nice feel to it. It's nice and heavy. It's it's not made to the lowest standards possible. It seems to be a very good indicator for what it is, of course. Now, up on the stands here, got a lot of glare. I have to move it, I guess. I think I'm just gonna another import test indicator that's come loose. Oop. I get out of the light on a stand, and some other random import. Again, they all work fine. Now we get to the good ones. Of course, it's going to blow out. This is one of my two Mitutoyo. I don't know if that's the. It says TMB 541. I don't know if that's the number on it or not. But it's a Mitutoyo, and it's really nice. But what I like about this is it's like what every indicator should be. It's like a clock. You can set it here. So instead of trying to fiddle with this, you can set that zero anywhere you want, and you can actually dial in your zero right on the stem. Wonderful feature. I don't know why every indicator isn't exactly like that. And that was so great. I've got a second one over here because my shop is in two different rooms, and rather than running back and forth, I just go ahead and grabbed another one. I loved it so much. And on a little shorty stand here, I have a, what have I got here? AccuSize. See, you can't set it like the Mitutoyo. Oops. Magnet's not on. Now over here, what have we got here? Where are we? Oop, up here. No wonder I couldn't see it. We've got a digital one that that you can set to like vary from 0 kind of thing, and it does several functions. I've only used it a few times and haven't really figured it all out yet. And there's my second Mitutoyo with the let's move our 0 over here somewhere, so you can set that 0 with the stem. I just love that feature. That makes it so convenient. And the other thing is just an old no brand name on it stand, and it's a nice little stand. It's good shape. No name on it though. Anyway, got those out and cleaning them up and putting the batteries in the ones that need batteries. Only a couple of those, fortunately. So that's my show and tell for the day. Sorry for the bum video work. Anyway, thanks for watching.